Hello everyone, I'm Shaburi from hookedandloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with a clay art necklace tutorial, and I will show you how to make this beautiful clay flower and the clay leaves. I have decorated the necklace with thread beads and I have crocheted the string. So let's begin. For this project I have used the Fevicryl mouldit, and in the packet it contains two more packages. One is the resin base and another one is a hardener. So we will now take equal portion of both the resin and the hardener. On opening the packages, we see that these two are of different colors. Okay. Now we will cut equal parts of these two using a knife or simply with your fingers. Just cut equal portion. And then we will take little bit of powder for mixing these two portions together, okay, in this manner. So just roll it with your hands and fold it, roll it, fold it, and in this manner continue this until the mixture is monocolored. That is, it's nearly white in color. Okay, like this. Press it and see that it's uniform. We will use little powder, otherwise it will be stickier. So we will make a beautiful mold, okay, in this manner. And then for the petals, we will divide it into 5 parts, as we are making 5 petals, okay, in this manner. And then just give it a proper shape like this. Okay, in this manner we will make 5 such small cylindrical shaped portions of clay. Just do your work a little bit faster, otherwise it will dry up and harden up soon. Okay, after that we will take each portion and just press it and give it shape with our hands. Okay, we will not use any clay tool. If you want you can use, but since flowers are realistic, we need realistic petals, so uniformity is not needed. Just give it shapes with your fingers. Press it. Okay, just press it and stretch it outwards and give it a petal-like shape. It need not be symmetrical, okay? So in this manner make 5 petals. So it's done, 5 petals are done. Now we will place the 5 petals with one on top of the other in this manner, okay, and shape it according to a flower as I am showing you, okay. Since petals are thin, they tend to fold up when placed on some surface, so we will create that folding effect with our clay petals. So just fold it and shape it as if they are real petals, okay, in this manner. Just keep shaping them until you are satisfied with it. Then we will take some pointed object and just press it at the center in this manner, okay, and allow the petals to dry for some time. So it's more or less dried up, okay. Just keep it aside. We will now make the base on which we will stick the flowers. So for that, in the same manner, we will take equal portion of the hardener and the resin and then mix it up in the manner we did earlier. So just roll it and fold it until you get a uniform white mixture. Okay, and then we will just use little bit of powder and roll it up using some roller to give it a flat shape. Okay, like this. Use the powder and just take some roller and roll it up. Give a rectangular shape by cutting with a scale or a knife in this manner. We will smoothen the edge by using little bit of water but not much. Okay, just give it a rectangular shape in this manner. Okay, now we will place our flower and the leaves and see how it looks. I have made only one leaf. I will make the other leaves in front of you. So let's make the leaf. We will take small portion of that mixed up clay like this, shape it, and then just give it a leaf like shape using your fingers. Okay, like this. And then take any clay tool or anything and make the leaf impressions in this manner. Okay, so this is how we make the leaves, like this. So we will make 3 such leaves. Okay, in total we are using 3 leaves, and then we will stick it up using glue, as I will show you later on. Okay, let's make 2 holes at the top. Don't forget to do this because we will be tying the string around this hole. Okay, now we will make the third leaf. I'm just giving you an idea of the design. If you want, you can add only 2 leaves, you can add 4 leaves. It's just up to you. Okay, so make the leaf impressions using the clay tools, and the leaf is also ready. Okay, now we will be sticking these flower and leaves on the base. Okay, using the Fevicryl. So let's do it. Let's take these parts one by one. First, taking the flower, at first I will stick a little portion of the freshly prepared mold, and on it we will add a little bit of glue and stick the flower on it. So it will just give a height to the flower, and just press it, and we will allow our work to dry for at least 3 hours. Anyways, I allowed it to dry for overnight. Okay, now it's completely dried up and we will do the painting based on our imagination, but before that we will paint our entire work completely white. Okay, so just paint it completely white and allow it to dry for some time, and then we will start painting it. So our work is completely white. We will dry it up and then start painting it based on our imagination. I used a picture of a real flower as a reference from Google and then painted it. You can do the same thing with your design too, or you can paint it as I'm doing. Okay, so enjoy painting it. Meet you soon at the end of the painting. Our painting is done and we will let it dry, but after that we will add a layer of wood gloss to give it a beautiful glossy effect. For that I have used the dendrite wood shine and just added a layer of it on top of our clay art, and that's why it's looking absolutely perfect and beautiful. Okay, I've already added the string on one side. Now we will pass the string on the other side. Now I made the string myself, just crocheted chains using the embroidery floss. Okay, so pass the string through the hole and then we will decorate it using the thread beads. Now the link for making this thread beads tutorial is in the description box, so just check it out and pass the thread beads through the strings in this manner. Okay, and our clay jewelry is now completely ready. If you want, you can skip this gloss adding part. However, after adding the gloss, the entire look of the necklace changed. It's just looking very perfect and very beautiful and very classy too. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Please comment in the comment section if you have any queries or if you want to see any other kind of tutorials. I would love to make those for you. And please subscribe to my channel. By the way, I have a website at www.hoopteenloops.com, so check it out. Other than clay art, I also make tutorials on fabric art as well as crochet art, so you will get varieties of videos in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you and have a great day.